Okay, what a beautiful weekend we're having. Hope you can hear me over the wind. But yeah, I figured it's such a nice time, might as well get outside. So we're starting some new topics from today. We're moving away from the sport-related things. And today we're going to be looking at percentage increase and decrease, all right? So it's quite useful to be able to calculate how much as a percentage something's gone up or down by over time. And I've got an example here. So for example, let's look at the formula first. What we want to do is we want to do the change that's happened divided by the original amount multiplied by 100. Okay, it's the change divided by the original amount times 100. So as an example, I've said you're paid $18.89 per hour. You get a rise to $19.95 per hour. What is the pay percentage increase? So putting it into that formula, first of all, I'm doing 19.95 minus 18.89. The reason I'm doing that is that's how I work out the change that's happened. And as you can see from the formula, we need to do the actual change, hence why I put that in. I then divide that by 18.89, and that's because that's the original amount. So 19.95 minus 18.89 makes 1.06. If I divide that by 18.89, it gives me 0.056. Then all I have to do is multiply that by 100, giving me 5.61% overall. Okay, so the pay has gone up by 5.61% in that example. And just to go over it really clearly, this bit here, the subtraction, that was to work out the change that's happened. I then divided the change by the original amount, got my answer as decimal, and then I multiplied it by 100 to get the percentage. Okay. I've got a second example as well, a bit of an AFL example, and that's with the Bulldogs membership. So last year they had 44,373 members. In this year, they've only got 39,512 members. What changes that? Okay, so maybe I'll give you a chance to pause and have a look at it, think about how you could work that out. But here's what we do. We do 44,373 minus 39,512. Again, we're just doing the big number, take the small number to find out the change. I then divide that by 44,373 because that's the original amount, giving me 0.10954. And then multiply it by 100 to give it 10.95%. So that is a percentage decrease. The Bulldogs membership has gone down by about 10% this year, at least based off the figures that I could find. So you're going to have a few activities to do involving just finding percentage increase and decrease of things like money, travel, things like that. As ever, I should be around to help you if you need anything, but just follow that formula really closely, work out how much change has happened, divide that change by the original amount, and then multiply it by 100, and then you should be fine. Okay, thank you very much. Do you want to say hi, Max? Nope. Fair enough.